Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in your Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. From there, click on the three bars at the top left side. Then, you'll get the option of Settings. Just simply click on Settings. Now, you have to choose your Gmail account where you want to add the signature. After coming to the email, you can see the General option down here. In General, you have the mobile signature setting. Just simply click on that mobile signature option. From there, you can set the signature. Just simply type your signature and then click on the OK button. Then, your signature will be successfully set into your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.